Hey guys, I'm Carol Malone, back again with another Mythbuster for the Sterilization Station Podcast. And today's myth is one I hear all the time, usually from someone who has never been inside the decontam area. And that myth is, machines handle everything. Really? So if machines handle everything, then I guess Santa's elves must handle Christmas too. So there's this idea that SPD techs don't work very hard because people don't see us walking in the hallways. Well, my friends, the reason you don't see us walking in the hallways is because we are busy, just like those Christmas elves, processing instruments so surgeons can operate safely the next morning or even the same day. We're not hiding. Come on, people, we're hustling. So here's the truth. Machines assist us, but they don't replace us, not even close. Automation is a tool, that is true. A washer is a tool. A sterilizer definitely is a tool. A tracking system, also a tool. And tools definitely don't take responsibility for patient safety. We do. So let's talk about the actual life cycle of an instrument. We have point of use up in the OR. Yes, cleaning does actually start in the OR with the point of use. Instruments must have gross soil removed, so they're kept moist. They must be opened and treated properly before they ever reach us, hopefully with some enzymatic sprays to keep what doesn't get wiped off moist. Then there's decontamination. That's where it comes down to us, scanned in and processed by hand, brushing, flushing, rinsing, soaking, disassembling, following complicated IFUs and cleaning processes for each individual instrument. Also involves the use of chemicals, detergents, soak times, and other tools. And only after all of this does it go into a washer. And guess what? A washer does not magically know if an instrument has been pre-cleaned correctly. It doesn't know if a hinge is still locked. It doesn't know if a lumen is still clogged. It is a machine to do a job. It does not have a mind to think. That's why we humans validate every step. So once the washer unloads, the instrument goes to assembly. And this is where the magic and the skill really happens. We test instruments. We have cutting tests, we have insulation tests, we have bore scopes to test. We're checking for alignment, we're checking for function, we're checking for pits, cracks, rust, stains. We're confirming every piece on a count sheet. No machine can do that. Only trained, certified, detail-obsessed SPD technicians can. Then we package the tray. So we package it up for steam and low temp sterilization at this point. And here's the part people really misunderstand. Sterilization is not the same as cleaning, and verifying is not the same as sterilizing. And the first step in sterilization is cleaning. Say that fast 10 times. Sterilizers don't clean, washers don't sterilize, and neither one verifies anything. That's why we use biological indicators, chemical indicators, load documentation, cycle printouts, load tapes, cooling protocols, release criteria. Machines run cycles, we confirm they worked. And after all that, we are not done, my friends. Trays now must go to the shelf, or straight onto a case cart, or to an add-on on a case cart, or even worse, to an emergency, or surgeon preference, or a last-minute swap, or any number of things. Because surgery does not run on a schedule, my friends. It runs on chaos, and SPD keeps that chaos safe. So no, machines do not do everything. They don't think, they don't inspect, they don't verify, and they certainly don't advocate. But SPD techs do. We are the ones who make sure every instrument is safe, functional, and ready for the next patient. Automation definitely helps us, but it will never replace us because machines don't save lives. People do. Until next time, my friends, take care.